Right. Good morning, guys. Good morning to all. First of all, please check it. All of you get my voice on screen. Please confirm to me, guys. Please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Right. And right, sir. Then on the Friday, I took one demo class of simple demonstration. Right, on Friday we have seen. Just I explained what exactly the trending courses in outside and what their situation in outside market. Then after that, what exactly our plan to continue these classes and the total scenario I completed already in the last sessions. So then I'm telling to you clearly again, today onwards we are going to start our original syllabus, original content we are going to discuss there. Right, and before going to start, just 2 minutes of time, just I want to recap it. What exactly the packages we are planning and what exactly the content is available there. All right, so now anyway, then regarding this content, then more information if you want to get related to these packages and all, just better one time talk with our admin people. So then you can reach out to plate 5252627. This is mobile number. Otherwise, then you can send mail to Durgasoft online training at gmail.com. Just send mail to them. Then our people, our admin people will respond for it max. If you have any queries regarding these courses and all, and even content also, syllabus sheet also, the total content also, just we can mail to you regarding this. Right, sir. Explain the full package, sir. Right, nothing. Just I can give much clarity on it. No need to worry for that. So here, mainly one thing is like which one individual Java course, that means core Java. Right, this is one thing. Second one is basic package, basic Java package. Java package. Then here in the basic Java package, what you are able to get, no? And core Java. Then second one is advanced Java, and third one is database Oracle. Then after that, and the fourth one is basic UI. Basic UI, you are able to get majorly HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Then after that, JavaScript majorly. Maybe one or two, no, not Angular, not all these things, no. After this, we are able to get basic UI. This is basic Java package. Then after that, come for this complete Java package. Complete Java package. If you have to this, then here what we are able to get core Java, and the second one is advanced Java, and third one is after this. Third one is like a Hibernate. Okay. Then the fourth one is a Spring framework. After this, we are able to provide now, and fifth one is Oracle. We are able to get. And the sixth one is basic UI. You are able to get basic UI technology, whatever the things can I specify clearly. CSS and HTML, JavaScript, majorly these topics, the technologies, what we provided. So these things can we are able to get. And apart from this, and the seventh one is apart from all these things, and the two tools. Two tools we are going to be covered. Now, first one is like which one? Maven, and second one is like which one? Log4j. These two tools we are going to be covered. Understand? So in the Spring also we can provide up to Spring Boot. Right, up to Spring Boot only we are able to get inside this one. This is complete Java package max. Right. Then apart from all these things, what I'm telling there, and here core Java in the sense a small project. Then advanced Java plus one hands-on project. So these projects are not to keep in a resume. These projects are just for the sake of your practice purpose. What you learn on the base of that to practice that content, what you learn, then we are going to provide a separate project. At each and every course, at the end, I'll provide hands-on project for the sake of your practice. Now, after this spring also, we are planning to provide like this one a separate project. Right. So these are the three types of courses here we are having clear. Right. Good. All right, guys, and yeah, Spring Boot will cover inside this. After Spring Boot. Right, sir. Yeah, Spring Boot will cover inside this. Inside this Spring. After Spring Boot, we will provide. Right, guys. And apart from this, guys, and just I will give much clarity. For all these things, you have to assign two slots, 7 to 8. That is quick. Let me complete this quick review. Now. Then after that, I'll give. I'll start our today. I will start our content, guys. Anyway, no problem. 7 to 8 and 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. They are the two slots you have to assign. We are going to take sessions here. That means for core Java, only one session. All of you observe this clearly. For core Java, if you register for core Java, only core Java, then your session will be 7 to 8 a.m. That's it. But apart from this, if you want to attend for basic Java package and complete Java package, then we must allot. That means we must attend both the sessions. What are the sessions now? 7 to 8 and as well as like which one 8 to 9. These two sessions here we have to attend. Right. So then apart from this, then what I'm telling to you, only core Java, if you observe this. So duration would be like which one here? It may be around 90 sessions are required to complete it. That means and 3 months of time around it will take now. Understand it? But basic Java, if you observe this clearly, parallelly we are going to start it and in between and 4 to 5 months of time we are going to take and complete Java package nearly it would be like which one here nearly and around 6 months of time it will take now. Yeah. Observe this clearly. Anyway, then for individual core Java also a big project is available. That is hands-on project what we are going to be provided. Project is existed. Okay, fine. And regarding this fee and all these details, just one time talk with our admin people guys and they will give more clarity on this one. But it's not much important for us to discuss about these fee related things. No, one time talk with our admin people and they'll give more clarity on it. Right? Fine, guys. Good. That's fine. And one thing, guys. 8 to 9 auto class in the sense, just we will divide that. We'll divide this in the case of this complete Java package. No, two slots. First, initially, after a few days of time. One thing I'm telling there, and for basic Java and complete Java package, for basic Java and complete Java package students, up to few days of time, we will conduct the classes at 7 to 8 slot only. 7 to 8 slot only. After a few days of time, after a few days of time, we will conduct the classes at both 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Definitely in these two slots we have to conduct. Then we have to do parallelly two courses we are going to provide. That's the point what I'm telling you. Okay. Right, yes. Then anyway, then apart from this, if you want to get any information related to this one, just one time talk with our admin people. They'll give more content, guys. Right. Yeah, definitely. Recordings will be provided. Sir. Recordings will be provided for every course, for all courses. Then recordings also be right. Recordings will be provided for all courses up to recordings will be provided for all courses through Google Drive access up to 1 year of time. Yeah, 1 year of time. Not even 6 months of time, up to 1 year of time, but 1 year of time is also be not mandatory. 1 year of time is also not mandatory. That means just official boundary we are providing. If we require more than that, then our people will help out for this. I guess. Good. Not 12 years of time, 1 year of time. Okay, guys. Yeah, up to 1 year of time. That's fine. Good. Yeah, yeah. Typing mistake. 12 years of in the sense, how can it decide, sir? Maybe then next year, 1 year of time is a good thing. And 2 to 3, 4, 5 years of time, then how? That means how in the sense, and then we are unable to imagine it, right? Fine. Good, guys. That's fine. Good. And furthermore, if you want to get more information there, and just one time, and regarding the syllabus and everything, already we submitted to all the members. If you have not received any syllabus document there, just one time talk with the admin people and they will share the document. And all these courses are conducted by me only, Max. All these courses are conducted by me only, or maybe Oracle course. In all the cases, then Oracle course, maximum. Oracle course will take by then will be by taken by either me or some other expert faculty. Definitely. Why? Because it's somewhat not related with Java. But then, if time is possible, then I will conduct these Oracle classes. I will take that. Or otherwise, very good faculties are available at Durgasoft, and they will take that Oracle classes now. But I will give that clarity. But whether I'm going to take it or might be some other faculty is going to take it, I'll give clarity. But definitely, it is an optional for me. Why? Because myself is more on Java, you will get more advantage. And myself is more on this Oracle or UI, and might be bit to time might be different, right? Totally here. These are the courses and these are the things. No, if you require any further information, just better to talk with our which one admin people guys. Okay, good. Right, sir. Now, shall we start now? Shall we start our actual content, guys? Right? Early morning time. All of you are not active. I don't know what is the reason for it. I think there's still some people are on bed. Then they are laying on bed and they are listening the class. Fine. Please wake up and please be active, and try to answer for all my questions now. Yeah, right. Whatever the points here, I'm giving clarity to you. Right. Right. So 9:50 p.m. here in Toronto. Oh, Shahid Aziz. Thank you. Good. Yeah, fine. That's fine, guys. That's good. Nice. Hearing from you. Good. Now, coming to the content, guys. Now, today I'm going to start our core Java. Right. Guys, no need to worry for that. All these courses, syllabuses, I will start. I will provide as a document to you through your mail ID. Maybe after the class, if you already received that, that's okay, fine, good. And not required to take any running notes, guys. That is depending on your option. But I'm going to submit. I'm going to submit. I'm going to submit what I'm telling to you. I'm going to submit soft copy. All the courses materials will submit as a soft copy for you, right? And other thing is like which one web services. So far, I'm not thinking about it, but then I'm not deciding so far. Maybe or may not be, but I'm not sure about it. Like I said, it's complete Java package. 50 Burma. But I'm not giving assurance for it. But regarding these web services, but if possible, then I will. Otherwise, without that web services only, may complete it. I'm not giving confirmation of, but max I will try for it. Web services part. Yeah, good sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Right, yes. Now let's come for this core Java. Then again, I'm telling to you the syllabus document we prepared already. I think any of you are getting that syllabus document. Now tell me, right? Uh, are any of you are getting that syllabus document as a mail, as an attachment through mail? Have you got that syllabus attachment? Right. Anyway, if you are not received that, no problem. Today, after the class, we are going to receive the syllabus attachments. That means the syllabus sheets total. All courses syllabus we used to send. Right. We are able to send all courses. Yeah. Some of you are getting it, but some of you are not getting it. And after the session, we are going to provide this. Yeah, definitely. Then nothing I discussed, sir. Then on Sunday, just whatever the information I've given, the similar information I discussed with it. And guys, one more thing I'm telling to you, the last class video, that means, and first demo class session, first demo session recording was available at the Durgasoft YouTube channel. Durgasoft YouTube channel, just try to check one time, no? But nothing I've discussed, only this type of information will be discussed. Okay, then that I given the overview. What about our plan and all? What I provided here, right? Good guys. Now, if you want to get it, now just one time check with that. And demo session recording was available at Durgasoft YouTube channel. Even after the class, I will send that link also. With that link, the first demo class link, I will send to all of you. Know, try to check that one also if you record that. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you, Chandrasekhar. Thank you. Yeah. Timing will be sharp 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Max, I'll try to manage 7 or by 7:05. I will start your session. Max 7 to 7:05 in between that. Why? Because I have to wait for the members. Then might be the grace time is 7 to 7:05. In between that, I will start the session in my mind. Right. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Now let's up to this clearly in a core Java. Anyway, I will send the syllabus sheet to you. Now try to check that one. I'm giving assurance to you clearly up to Java 14 version. I'm planning in our core Java class up to Java 14 version, right from starting. Right? Understand it clearly now. So, what is the latest version of Java, guys? Please confirm to me. What is the latest version of Java? Any idea? What was the latest version of Java? Right, up to 14. That means 14th version is the latest version. 14th version is the latest version. So, as of now, as part of our plan, as of now, the latest version is Java 14. So, we are going to discuss up to Java 14 version. Clear cut information. But what I am thinking now on this September, so Aragil is going to release Java 15 version officially. Java 15 version general availability officially. So if anything is remaining by the time, this is exactly like which one? July. July almost are coming to the 20th of July. August to September might be. Definitely our course is going to be available by the time. So when Oracle has introduced Java 15th version, in the next day, I will conduct the classes for Java 15th version. Understand it, guys, what I'm telling you now, right? All of you observe this clearly. 1 minute, guys, 1 minute. Right. See, then what's the point I'm telling you? Know, up to Java 14th version, we are able to get from this core Java. Good, guys. Now this one anyway. Next, apart from this, now let's if we come for this core Java content, first of all, I'll start like which one here, introduction part. This is the very first content, introduction part. Inside this introduction part, we are going to discuss about like which one. First one is Java history. Very first one, Java history, little bit background story for Java. Why Java and what exactly the requirement of Java. We'll discuss about this one. Next one is apart from this, now differences between differences between Java and others. Differences between Java and others. That I will discuss with you just for comparison purpose. I will forward this. And third topic is Java features, Java buzzwords, Java features. And the fourth topic, after this Java buzzwords or Java features, fourth topic will be Java programming format. What exactly the format we have to follow to write programs in the case of Java. Next one is, fifth one is, after that, after this Java programming format, I'll go for Java naming conventions. Or better I want to put it as a fourth topic. Right, sir. Right, Java naming conventions, and then after that, Java programming format. This is the first topic, introduction topic here we are going to understand. Then after this introduction, the second one is like which one here? Steps to prepare Java applications. Then from this point onwards, all the concepts we are going to discuss now. But as of now, today we are going to start like which one? Introduction part for this Java programming language. Right. Come on, guys. Now, I'll ask three questions also in the middle, but we have to answer for it. Right, yes. Now, all of you come for this first one here. Java history. Good. Guys, any idea on which year the first version of Java was introduced to the market? Just I'm asking to all of you, do you have any idea on which year the first version of Java was introduced? Right, exactly. Some people are saying 1995, some people are saying 1994, and some other people are saying 1996. Good, good, good. So if you are giving more number of answers, my work will be very clear. Right. If you give unique answer, might be my work is not good. Yeah, that's fine. Good. People are giving different answers. 1995 by Sun Microsystems. Yes, Jason, 1995, 1996. Good. Anyway, guys, just I'm giving clarity to you. All of you observe this clearly. All of you observe this clearly. First version of Java, the very first version of Java, JDK 1.0 version was introduced January 23rd, 1996. That's it. Yes, Taranam Fatma. Perfect. Perfect. 23rd January 1996, JDK 1.0 version was released. This is the first version. Why people are thinking about 1995 and 1995, 1994? I don't know. Then I don't think so. 1994. That's why people are thinking about 1995 actually. 1995 December, there is a product on the basis of this Java was released. That product name is a Hard Java. Hard Java is a product that was released on the basis of Java. That's why people are thinking about it. Then people are thinking about it. That Java was released on 1995 December month, but by the time people are fixed, 1995 is a year where first version of Java was released. But actually, it is not Java version. That is which one? First product. That is not first product. That is one of the product that was released on the base of Java. The product is released. Hard Java is a product actually. It's a browser basically. Hard Java browser was released in 1995. Because of that reason, people are thinking directly Java was released in 1995. No, no. If you check that Java documentation, or if you check that Sun Microsystems documentations and outside, exactly January 23rd, 1996, that officially first version of Java was released. Good, that's fine, guys. Now, I'm asking one more question to all of you. Now, observe this clearly. Officially, first version of Java was released on 1996, January 23rd. That means, okay, fine. But when Sun Microsystems has started to prepare Java programming language, when Sun Microsystems has started to prepare this Java programming language, and which year they have started there, and which year they have started there, it means that before this 1996 only, before 1996 only, before 1996 only, the first version of the Java, that means Java work was started by Sun Microsystems. Right, exactly. If we come for this origin of the Java, that and which year that the roots are started for Java, if we come for this point, answer is very clear. All of you understand it clearly. At 1991, Microsystems 1991, Sun Microsystems had a requirement to prepare new programming language. At 1991, Sun Microsystems had a requirement to prepare a new programming language. What is the purpose of preparing this new programming language? To prepare simple electronic consumer devices. Prepare simple electronic consumer devices. What are these electronic consumer devices actually? Like cable TV switch boxes. Next one is like which one? Remote controllers, and so on. Small electronic consumer devices are available. To prepare electronic consumer devices, they require some softwares. To prepare the software, Sun Microsystems wants to prepare a new programming language. That is the main origin. This is the main origin what Sun Microsystems has taken to prepare Java programming language. This is a requirement. At 1991, this is a requirement of Sun Microsystems. Good. And to complete this particular requirement, to achieve this requirement, what Sun Microsystems has done here, right? To achieve the above, Sun Microsystems has gathered nearly 20 Sun engineers, 30, I think so, might not 20, 30 members, 30 Sun engineers as a team. So nearly to achieve the above, to prepare this new programming language, Sun Microsystems has gathered nearly 30 engineers, 30 Sun engineers as a team led by James Gosling and Patrick Nathan. James Gosling and Patrick Nathan. That's it. These are the two members. They are the two team leads. They are the two leads for this 30 members team. Guys, all of you have this clearly what I'm telling you now. Who built Taj Mahal? Guys, now tell me, what is your answer now? Who built Taj Mahal? If you ask this question now, what is your response, guys? Now tell me, no. In general, maybe people are saying like which one? Shah Jahan. No, exact name. I required. Yeah, Shah Jahan. Right, no, that's fine. But actual thing is which one? Maybe thousands of laborers have participated, right? Thousands of workers have participated. Understand it clearly. But credit goes to which one? Shah Jahan. Similarly, here also with the total effort is from 30 Sun engineers, no? But officially that name was taken by which one? James Gosling. But of course, he is a complete responsible person for the Java programming language. Anyway, at initial stage of Sun Microsystems, he took the total responsibility of this particular programming language preparation and everything. Now he is not with the Sun Microsystems and he is not with Oracle Corporation. He is not with the Sun Microsystems and he is not with the Oracle Corporation. But anyway, still we can say who is father of Java in the sense. Simply people are saying like which one? James Gosling. Still, who is father of Java in the sense like which one? Still people are saying like which one here no? And like which one here? James Gosling. That's the point here, what I'm telling to you guys. But guys, I'm asking one more question. Who is father of Java? Who is father of Java, guys? Now, can you please answer for me? Come on, guys. Who is the father of Java? James Gosling. Fine. Who is mother of Java? Who is mother of Java? Who is mother of Java? James Gosling wife, right? Fine, that's fine. James Gosling wife. Fine. Right, sir. Good. Right, good. Sonia Gandhi. It's too much. Fine, sir. Good. Leave it, guys. Leave it. Fine, sir. Anyway, then finally the point what we have to remember there. What we have to remember. Right. And the whole and soul, the total responsible person for the Java programming language is which one? James Gosling. Anyway, the roots are started like this. But here I have written one more name, guys. Have you recognized it? I have written one more name, Patrick Nathan. I have written one more name, Patrick Nathan. Actually, this person is a crucial person at Sun Microsystems. Max almost all he involved in the construction of almost all the products from Sun Microsystems. He's a key person actually. But unfortunately, he is not getting much name when compared with the James Gosling. But this person, Patrick Nathan, is a key person at Sun Microsystems. Right, I'll give some story also for this later on. Understand it, guys, what I'm telling you. So next one is, anyway, then finally they gathered 30 members team and then they started a project to prepare this new programming language. Sun Microsystems has started a project. The name of the project is which one? Green project. Sun Microsystems has started a project to prepare new programming language. The name of this project is which one? Green project. Part of the green project only. As part of this green project only, Sun Microsystems wants to prepare a new programming language. That's the project name. So under which project Java programming language was provided? Under which project Java programming language was prepared? If I ask this question, no. What is your answer, guys? Now tell me. What is your answer now? Tell me. Under which project the Java programming language was prepared? If I ask this question, no. The name of that project is which one? Green project. Green project. Good. All of you have to this clear enough. Next one is after that. Before start to prepare new programming language, they want to have some paper plan on their new programming language. What features they want to implement on their new programming language? First of all, they want to have some plan. As part of the plan, they want to prepare a new programming language with majorly three features. Mainly three features they want to include in the new programming language. What are the three features they want to include on the new programming language? First one is they want to prepare a simple programming language. First, they want to prepare a simple programming language. Then, what is the meaning of simple? I'll give much clarity in it. Right, so the second thing is after this, the second one is tight-coded programming language they want to prepare. Tight-coded. Right. And the third one is like which one? Architectural neutral programming language. So simple programming language, type-coded programming language, and architectural neutral programming language they want to prepare. Guys, all of you observe this clearly now. So overall, three characteristics are three things they want to maintain. One is like which one? Simple programming language, type-coded and architectural neutral. As once again I'm telling to you, still they did not started any work. They did not started any work. Just they are thinking what exactly the features they want to include. Finally, they identified three features they want to include. What are the three features they want to include? Simple programming language, type-coded programming language, and architectural neutral programming language. These three features they want to include on their new programming language. Good, that's fine. But in their point of view, in the point of Sun Microsystems, what exactly the meaning of simple programming language? In the point of Sun Microsystems, what exactly the meaning of simple programming language, guys? Right, all of you observe this clearly. Sun Microsystems has defined three parameters to make their programming languages simple. That means three factors they want to take to make their programming language as a simple. What are the three factors now? Right, so the very first one is programming language has to take less execution time. Programming language has to take less execution time, and programming language has to take lesser memory. Yeah, lesser memory. And in officially, the Sun Microsystems document says the third one is like which one? Lesser power consumption. Less power consumption. Then even myself also really shocked by seeing this power consumption now. But really, Sun Microsystems has specified that. That's why I'm talking about this now. Good. Then what in the point of the Sun Microsystems? What exactly the meaning of simple programming language in the point of the Sun Microsystems? First one is less execution time, less execution time. Second one is less memory consumption and less power consumption. Less power consumption. Right, so now these are the three factors they have taken under simple programming language. Under the simple programming language, these are the three factors they identified. Right. But now here we have to understand what exactly the meaning of less execution time and what is the effect of this less execution time, what advantage we are able to get if we provide less execution time. Similarly, what exactly the meaning of less memory consumption, what advantage we are able to get if we provide less memory consumption. What is the meaning of this less power consumption and what is the relation of this power consumption with our programming languages? No, then what is the advantage of this less power consumption? All these things we need to analyze now. At least before going to start our programming language, just we have to analyze all these points. Good, sir. Good. Now I'm giving clarity to you. I'm giving much clarity. Try to understand it. No. For example, guys. For example, today I was free totally. For example, today I was free totally. Good. Then I'm watching a football match. That match is going on between Brazil and Argentina. Both the teams are very good. The match is going on with interest. I'm watching that match, football match, and at ESPN channel, for example. Going on, going on, going on. Might be the match is going on. Last 5 to 10 minutes of time is remaining, and both the countries they have scored 2-2 each. That means scores are level, and both are fighting for winning goal. It's going on. Just I'm watching that match. All of a sudden, my friend made a call to me, and he said to me, "Right, what you are doing?" He asked to me. Just I'm saying, I said to him, "Just I'm watching one football match." Immediately he said to me, "Arey fool, why you are watching that football match now? In a Star Sports channel, there is a cricket match between India and Pakistan, but why you are watching still that football match?" Moreover, he said to me, the status of that match is first Pakistan were batted already. They got nearly 321 runs. Next, Indians were started already batting. Almost 49 overs are completed. On crease, only two players are available. And on the last over, 21 runs required. Indians were already almost 30. Almost all 8 wickets or 9 wickets are already down. At one side crease, Dhoni. At other side crease, Ishant Sharma. The other two players are available. Now Dhoni is on crease. Last over, 6 balls, 21 runs required. This is the status of the match. Are a full wires watching that football match. Try to switch to cricket match. My friend has given this information to me. Come on, guys. When my friend has given this type of information, then immediately, what about my mindset? No. Immediately, I'm getting crazy for this cricket match or not. I'm getting bit interest for cricket match or not. Then definitely I diverted to watch cricket match. Then immediately, I want to watch at least that last over. That last over I want to watch there. Then immediately I've taken my remote controller. In my remote controller, Star Sports 1 channel number is a 7272. Star Sports 1 72 is a channel number. I clicked on that 72 channel number. Then what happened when I clicked on the 71 channel number? And what happened there? It takes much time. It takes much time to switch the channel. Circle is rotating on my TV. Circle is rotating. It takes some time. Good. Finally, channel was changed. When I open the channel, when I see the channel there, when I see the channel, what happened there? Where man of the match presentation is going on. That last over was completed, gone. Man of the match presentation is going on. Dhoni is taking man of the match. Indians were win. India won that match. Man of the match presentation is going on. All right. Like who is that? Dhoni is taking that man as a match. Tell me, guys, then what happened here? I lost my cricket match or not? At least last over. I lost that cricket match or not? Come on, guys. I lost that cricket match. Where is the problem, guys? Now, can you identify where is the problem, please? Give answer for my question. Where was the problem there? Any idea? Where is the problem? No response, guys. Reactive. Where is the problem actually? Is that problem with me watching that football match initially? Or is that problem with my friend giving late information for me? No. The problem is not with me and the problem is not with my friend. The problem is with the remote controller. Whatever the remote controller I have operated, that remote controller is a problem. That remote controller is not good. Remote controller is not good. Good. Then what happens when I type 7.2 on my remote controller? Internally, program has to be executed. Definitely, inside the remote controller also program is available. When we type 7.2 on remote controller, internally, definitely some program will be executed for switching the channel. So whatever the program which is executed to switch the channel, whatever the program which is executing to switch the channel, that the program takes more time. That the program takes more time. When that program has taken more time, automatically late response we are getting. When a program executed lately, when a program execution time is more, automatically performance of the product will be reduced. So this is what we have to understand. Throughout Java, I'm going to take the same equation. When execution time is more, automatically performance of the application will be reduced. When execution time is less, automatically performance of the application will be increased. Guys, once again, please remember this equation. Throughout Java, I'm going to follow this equation. Why? Because not only in the case of this introduction part, just it is nominal content what I'm discussing, in the future multi-threading I'm going to discuss. In the future exceptionally I'm going to take. Beautiful concepts I'm going to take in the future. When I'm going to take multi-threading especially, every time I'm going to calculate how much is an execution time. Is that less execution time or more execution time? If that execution time is lesser, more performance. If the execution time is more, less performance. This type of equation I'm going to follow every time. Every time I'm going to follow this type of equation. So because of that reason, we have to understand if my remote controller program takes more time, more execution time, performance of the remote controller will be reduced. So this is a problem here what we are getting. That's why because of this type of reasons, Sun Microsystems wants to prepare a new programming language. That new programming language has to take lesser execution time. Sun Microsystems wants to take a new programming language. That new programming language has to take a lesser execution time. Right? This less execution time is giving impact on which one? Performance. That means less execution time will provide like which one? More performance. Less execution time will provide which one? More performance. That's the point here we have to understand, guys. What exactly the point I'm telling you about this less execution time. That's okay, good. Next one is after completion of this less execution time and a more performance. After understanding this, now let's come for lesser memory consumption. Let's come for this lesser memory consumption. Yes, all of you listen carefully. Say for example, I want to take a new computer, guys. For the sake of my Java programming, for the sake of this training purpose, I want to take a new computer. I had very small computer, but the computer is also not good. I want to take a new computer. Good, that's fine. When I do it, CTC, CTC is a place where all computer shops are available, located at the Secunderabad. And I debated Secunderabad is one of the place where CTC is the location where all computer shops are available. I went to that location. Good. I went to one shop. Then directly I asked to the representative of the computer shop, "Hey, can you please give quotation for good computer for my Java training purpose? For the sake of training purpose, can you give some quotation for me?" Then I observed this quotation. Inside this quotation, what he specified, so each and every one, like what I'm telling you, warranties or maybe components and their components like which one here, everything, keyboard and mouse and all, and so on and so on and so on. At one stage, he has given RAM, RAM memory he has given. I observed it. What was that exactly? RAM size. He included 8 GB RAM. He included 8 GB RAM. He included 8 GB RAM and included 8 GB RAM and he specified the total computer cost is which one? 20,000. 8 GB RAM he included and the total computer cost is which one? 20,000. Then I asked it to the representative, computer shop representative, "Arey sir, 8 GB RAM is not sufficient for me. Why? Because I parallelly have to run databases, I have to run servers, and I have to run my Java applications. So definitely 8 GB RAM is not sufficient. So can you please increase the RAM from 8 GB to 16 GB? I don't require that 8 GB RAM is not sufficient for me. So try to increase 8 GB RAM to 16 GB I require. 16 GB minimum I require. I requested you. Then immediately what he has done there, 8 GB RAM previously 20,000 is the cost of the computer. Now what he has done, 8 GB RAM is increased to 16 GB. He specified that RAM is 16 GB. Then after specifying that RAM is 16 GB, then immediately he increased the cost of the computer from 20,000 to 26,000. Guys, all of you observe this clearly. 20,000 to 25,000, for example, he increases the cost of the computer. So 16 GB RAM cost is which one? Cost of the computer is which one? 25,000. And for 8 GB RAM, cost of the computer is which one? 20,000. Guys, what we are understanding from this equation now? What we understood from this equation? All of you observe this clearly. When memory components are increased, when memory units are increased, automatically cost of the end product will be increased or not? Come on, guys. You have to give response time to time. Whenever I'm asking questions now, be active and try to give responses for my questions now. When cost of the computer, that means when memory units are increased, whenever memory units are increased, automatically cost of the computer is increased or not? That means memory units are costable or not? Memory units are costable or not? Definitely no. So memory units are costable. When memory units are increased in our in our in our product, cost of the end product will be increased. So by thinking this total process, Sun Microsystems has prepared a new programming language. Sun Microsystems wants to prepare a new programming language. It has to consume less memory. It has to consume less memory. If it takes less memory units are required. Once less memory units are available, then lesser cost for end product. Less cost for which one? End product. So less memory consumption, automatically cost of the end product will be reduced. This is an advantage of like which one? Less memory consumption. Because of this reason only Sun Microsystem wants to prepare a new programming language with a less memory consumption. Good. Now let's come for this third point, guys. All of you know. Less power consumption. Right. Guys, all of you have to this clearly. Now, I'm asking one question to all of you guys. Now tell me, if you take remote controller, for example, a remote controller or some electronic goods, whatever it may be, any electronic good we can take, but best example I'm taking remote controller. If you take this remote controller, tell me guys, inside this remote controller, hardware is existed or not? Remote controller, in a sense, the hardware is existed or not? These are the buttons, just assume it. I'm not good painter, anyway, I will try to manage it. Right. This is remote controller. Now tell me guys, first of all, inside this remote controller, hardware is available or not? Definitely hardware is existed. Yeah. Every electronic device must have some hardware system. Definitely here also be hardware is available. Tell me guys, similarly, software is available or not? Software is required or not? Please confirm to you guys. Software is required or not? As a software is also required. In every electronic device, hardware is available and software is available. Now tell me, internally, right? Internally, energy resources are required or not? Internally, energy resources are required or not? That means what I'm telling there, batteries required or not? Internally, energy resources are required or not? Batteries are required or not? Nippo or whatever it may be, some batteries we required, some energy resources we required. That's very good. Guys, all of you have to this clearly now. For example, when I type some numbers on this remote controller, then what happens there now? First software, one minute guys. 1 minute guys. When I click on some numbers, when I click on some numbers on like which one remote controller, when I click on some numbers on remote controller, automatically software will listen. Software will listen that event, whatever the event we performed on keyboard, software will listen. Software will give directions to the hardware to perform an action. Software will give directions to perform an action. All of you observe this clearly now. Then immediately what hardware will do now? Hardware will perform that physical action. Hardware will perform that physical action. All of you observe this clearly now. First of all, whenever we type on this remote controller, software will listen that, software will give some instructions to hardware, then hardware will perform some physical action. All of you understand this clearly now. Right, exactly. In this particular scenario, what is the point I'm telling you guys? When a hardware interaction is more with the software, or else when software is having more hardware interaction, automatically battery consumption is more or not? Automatically energy consumption is more or not? Please come, guys, and please give information for me. So when software is having more interaction with the hardware, when a software is having more interaction with the hardware, automatically battery consumption is more or not? Battery consumption is more or not? When battery consumption is more, instead of changing the battery for every 6 months, we have to change the battery for every 3 months or not? That means lifetime of the battery is reduced or not? When lifetime of the battery is reduced, automatically performance, automatically maintenance cost of the end product is increased or not? When a hardware consumption is more, battery consumption is more. When battery consumption is more, the lifetime of the battery will be reduced. When the lifetime of the battery is reduced, maintenance cost of the end product will be increased or not? So because of that reason, what's the point I'm telling to you? When less power consumption, in the sense like which one here, lesser maintenance, lesser maintenance cost for the end product, lesser maintenance cost for the end product. Because of this, because of this type of thinking, Sun Microsystems wants to prepare a new programming language. That new programming language should have lesser power consumption. So just this is paper plan only, guys. Just this is only plan. Still work was not started. Still we are at 1991. Sun Microsystems prepared, gathered 30 members team as a green, and they started. Sun Microsystems has started a green project. As per this green project, they want to prepare a new programming language. That new programming language should have three features they want to maintain. Where out of these three features, first one is which one? Simple programming language. What is the meaning of the simple programming language? Less execution time. It yields more performance. Less memory consumption. It yields. It specifies less cost per end product. Less power consumption. Less maintenance cost for the end product. That's it, guys. Now this is the meaning of like which one? Simple programming language. Next one is like which one? You know, tight coded programming language. Tight coded programming language, guys. And shall we discuss this topic on tomorrow? Then tight coded and remaining part of the history. Shall we move on tomorrow regarding the remaining part now? Right? Yeah. Today there is advanced Java. No. And Vidya Shankar, and I will give schedule to you. Then up to few days of time, for basic Java and complete Java people, I will give schedule to you. But few days of time, only 1 hour class I will take. Only 1 hour class I will take, guys. After few days of time, then later on, I'll give the two timings for it. Okay, good. Definitely. Okay, fine. Thank you, Vishika. Definitely, I will give that schedule to you. By that, we are able to understand it. Yeah, definitely. Then we'll plan for some exercises also on our content regular. Depending on the topic, I will give some exercises. Definitely. Okay, fine. Thank you, Pawan. Thanks a lot. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. Might be some other session is going on inside this now. If you have any doubts there, yeah. Soft copy, definitely. You'll get the soft copy maybe today or tomorrow. I'll send it max. Fine. That course content, everything. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot, and I'll meet on tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. And if you have any doubts, and tomorrow I will explain there in the early hours. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. In the earlier time. Thank you. Thanks a lot.